Hey, guys. Welcome back to another exciting review video. Today, I have something really special to share with you, the Apple iPhone 12 13th Pro Max. Now, I know what you're thinking, but it's a used phone, is it really worth it? Let me tell you, this is no ordinary used phone. It is in 98% new condition, which means it has passed strict selection and professional testing to ensure it's in perfect working order. Not only that, but you have the option to choose from 128GB, 256GB, or even 512GB ROM, and it comes with 6GB RAM. The 6.7 Retina OLED display is absolutely stunning, and with Face ID and NFC, you can be sure that your phone is secure and ready to use with the latest technology. Plus, it's 5G compatible, so you can stay connected at lightning fast speeds. And the best part? You get all of this at a fraction of the cost of a brand new phone. You're getting the same high quality technology, but at a price that won't break the bank. It even comes with a free silicone case, screen protector, and fast charging USB-C to Lightning cable. So, if you're in the market for a new phone and want to save some serious money, I highly recommend checking out the Apple iPhone 12 13th Pro Max. It's the perfect combination of quality and value, and you won't be disappointed. Simply click the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews.